Welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about sidehustleincome.net. This is an update video for sidehustleincome.net. We've got some very exciting information to share with you. We're going to roll the intro. After the intro, I'll get back with you in the video. Tim Thomas here. Go ahead and like this video. Hit that like button. I really would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Tap the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. So when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know great things are happening with work at home. We're going to show you how you can potentially turn $150 into $500 to $7,500 plus per month. Of course, it's an income disclaimer. In life, nothing happens till you take action. But I tell you what, it's go time. For working at home, it's never been this exciting and never been this easy to do. If you can mail a phenomenal flyer, phenomenal postcard, we can help you grow to your income. So we're very excited about sidehustleincome.net. We're going to show you some results that we're having in this program. It's $150 to start, $150 per month. And the way it works, you're going to get $75 on your personal signups, $25 on all your personals on the back end overrides. So you go sign up 10 people, you're going to get $75 each for each one of those people. When they bring a person in, you're going to get $25. Very, very simple compensation plan. The product package comes from Mountain Marketing. It is a lead subscription. You're going to get leads every single month. You're going to get postcards, and you're going to get name labels. All of this is going to be in your product package mailed to you every month. You're going to get a subscription to Mountain Marketing's Side Hustle Guru magazine. Powerful. Work at home ideas are in there, and this is a part of the subscription. It's a monthly subscription while you're building residual income. Russ Fry talked about residual income the other day. Jose Green talks about it all the time. Greg talks about it. Residual income is what we need. We're very excited about sidehustleincome.net. We have everything you need. The company has about 3 or 4 postcards you can choose from and a flyer. Now, our team leader, Greg has built for us, and I'll show you. We're going to see some of that video in just a minute. He made a video for us, but we're going to see that in a minute. Just stay tuned. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Is the postcard. It is a big, beautiful 6x9 postcard that is proven to work. It is working right now, and we're very excited about it. It is proven to work, and people are getting excited about this postcard. It says, "Are you tired of working a job?" And this young lady looks like she's tired of it. Here's your chance to start building your own stream of monthly income. Stop living from paycheck to paycheck. Right here is an illustration of how much you can make if you bring in these people. And there's no selling, no telling, no explaining. It is all done for you. Email follow-up by our team leader, and just very powerful. You enroll 10 new members each and every month, $750. You enroll 50 new members each month, you're talking about $3,750. 100 members, guys, which is simple to do, mailing this proven postcard or flyer, and you're at $7,500 per month. I just got my check in. We're going to show you the preview of one of our checks from our team leader, and we're going to go from there. But that is the postcard. Here is the flyer. You're going to get access to the flyer and the postcard. Very powerful, very simple system, and it just works. It just very, very much works. Also, you're going to access to our team website. Our team website is www.yoursidehustleincome.com. It gives a clear-cut, crystal illustration of how this program works, how powerful it is. People will look at the video. They will get the information they need to make an informed decision to partner. Very, very excited about that. And then what they're going to do, they're going to come put their name and their email address in, and they're going to hit the button. And when they do that, it's going to take them also to this site here, to the main website, the subscription plan, and basically you'll see this video, and what you're going to do, it just explains the same thing I just told you, what you're going to get as far as your product package. You're going to get access to this website and the subscription plan. You're going to come down here Put your name, address, city, state, zip code, phone, and the sponsor ID and the name of the person that referred you. If you're joining from this video, you're going to put Jose Green. Jose Green, it's the person that we're sponsoring on this video. When you partner with Jose, let me know, and I would do a video for you or 2 or 3 videos for you. Just let me know. But the ID number you want to use is 2568. 2568 is the ID number that you want to use, and your sponsor name will be Jose Green. If you need to get a hold of Jose, you can call him. If you want to talk to me personally, my information will be below the video. Get a hold of me. Guys, this is exciting. When you get a chance, click the link below. Financial freedom depends on it. Click the link below. Watch the video. Watch this video here in its entirety. Understand how it works. See how simple the system is. Raise your hand and say, yes, I can make the unlimited income I have dreams with sidehustleincome.net. Now, Greg, our team leader, sent out a video with a news update. And he just sent it out on this Tuesday. So happy Tuesday. I've been out of town for the weekend, got back today, and guess what? I received in the mail from Mountain Marketing, sidehustleincome.com. He received his monthly paycheck. There's no such thing as job security anymore. Let's see what Greg had to say in this video. Stay tuned. Let's see if we can get it going.
What's going on, guys? Back again with another Side Hustle Income video that I'm doing here. As you can see, I just got my Side Hustle Income commission check today. So I'm very excited to receive this, because this is a very simple business opportunity. All we're doing is mailing out this one-page flyer to others.
Hang on tight, guys. I'm going to make sure that the sound is 100% up, because this is some important information that I really want you to hear. And I think my sound is all the way up. We're going to make sure that we're all the way up. Great things are happening, guys. If you can mail a flyer, you can win with sidehustleincome.com. If you can just mail that, if you can just mail that postcard. The postcard is just life changing. If you can do that, you can win. Raise your hand and say yes. We're 100% up. We're going to go back to Greg.
And don't have to do any talking, explain or anything. They just get the flyer, go to the website.
Greg said we don't have to do any talking, explaining, or anything. Just get the flyer. It'll go to the website. It will take them to our team website. You're going to have access to this right here. This video, guys. Sell, tell, explain. No selling, no telling, no explaining. Let systems do all the heavy lifting, and then people can make an informed decision as to if they want to partner with you. Absolutely powerful. Let's go back to the video. Sorry about that, guys. Let me click back onto it. Okay.
We'll call that 24 information line to learn more about the business, or they can just read what's on the flyer. Go to the website, sign up, or they don't have a computer, they can just fill it out, send it in, and you get paid, guys. It's that simple. Anyway, I said I was going to open up my check for this month. When it come in, last month I opened it up, let you guys see how much I earned. So this month, this is my last time doing this. I'm going to show you guys what I earned this month for January commission. Last commission was for December, so I got paid. So I got paid in December. No, my January commission check was for December activity. So my February commission is for my January activity. So let me just go ahead and open up and see how much I made. Alright. So for personal, I'm not going to show you the check number and everything. I'm just going to pull it out and let you guys see. $1,300, guys.
$1,300. and he's about a little over a month into Side Hustle.
So they're growing each month.
If you can mail a flyer,
but all we're doing is just mailing out this flyer. The flyer does all the talking and explaining for you, and people go get signed up. So that is working. It's been working for the last 3 years. So those people that don't know, I made over $27K my first year in Side Hustle. So
Greg said he made over $27,000. Of course, the income disclaimer, nothing happens till you take action. But he made over $27,000 with Side Hustle. Folks, the sky's the limit with this business. Get signed up. The information will be below. Watch the video. Take a deep dive into it. Use ID number 2568. 2568 will be your ID number. Jose Green will be your sponsor. If you need to get Jose, you can talk to him. You can talk to me. I will be available even though you're signed up with Jose. Great things are happening, guys. Let's make it a great year. The wind is to our back, and I tell you what, the future could not be brighter with SideHustleIncome.net. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.